Welcome to Girls So Positive. I'm Lana Andis, and I'm all about inspiring girls to believe in themselves and have confidence in who they are and what they can do. Today's show will be about making healthy after-school snacks. And with your parents' permission, you can even make it yourself. My special guest today is one of my good friends and my neighbor, Olivia Holmes, and her mom, Mrs. Ann. Mrs. Ann is a great cook, and she loves to share her recipes with others. Today, she will show us how to make a mango, strawberry, and banana smoothie. Yummy! I'll meet you in her kitchen in just a minute. I'm here at Mrs. Ann's home. I would like to introduce you to Olivia and her mom. Hi, Olivia.
Hi, Lana. Thank you for inviting me to be in the show.
Hi, Mrs. Ann.
Hi, Lana. I'm excited to make you a yummy smoothie today.
Mrs. Ann, could you share your special recipe with everyone?
Sure. Today I'm going to make a mango, strawberry, banana smoothie. It's a quick afternoon snack. You start with 2 to 3 frozen bananas, a handful of frozen strawberries, a half a cup of mango puree, 1 cup of plain yogurt, a 1/4 of a cup of mango juice or your favorite juice, a 1/4 of a cup of strawberry jam. This is a quick afternoon snack. You're going to blend until smooth. And who wants the first glass?
Me!
Enjoy!
Thank you.
Thank you. This is so good! Thank you, Mrs. Ann, for making an after-school snack for us.
You're certainly welcome.
You're the best one ever, Mom.
Thank you, Mrs. Ann and Olivia, for being my special guest today. Email us at girlsopositive@gmail.com and share with me some of your favorite recipes. Have the best day ever! I'm here at Mrs. Hand's.
That's okay.
Miss Ann.